Take Profit Trader has been known for the best payout policy in the business. When you scroll down and look at the rules, withdrawals in as little as 1 day. Now, I don't encourage anybody to try to get a payout on day number 1, but the fact that we have the ability to get a payout on number 1 is awesome. Now, Take Profit Trader just launched an update to the payouts. Will this be good for the traders, or is this going to be a step back? Now, as traders, anytime we hear about a prop firm making a change, we always cringe and say, yikes, how bad is this going to be? And no, I'm not talking about Take Profit Trader's 40% sale going away, which if you guys want to take advantage of it, use the link in the description box down below. Use promo code Mike. If you already traded with Take Profit Trader and you checked your email last night, we got some exciting news to start off the week. Account to wallet process is now fully automated for Tradeovate Pro accounts. This means withdrawals now can hit your wallet in a matter of seconds instead of hours. Now, to me, that sounds amazing. What about you? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if we look at their blog post real quick and see what they had to say, speed of payouts, why withdrawals just got faster. I like this little infographic. It's showing on the right how fast it's going to be now compared to how it was in the past. Now, even though we had the ability to get daily payouts in the past, which was amazing, and those payouts being uncapped, meaning you cannot just take out $1,000 or $2,000 per account. You can take out the percentage split for the whole entire amount that the trader is actually over the buffer. Now, when we scroll down here real quick, let's talk about what is actually changing. So here's how it used to work, all right? Essentially, if the trader made their profits, let's say day number 1 by 2 p.m. Eastern, well, the dashboard would update day 1 between 10 and 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Now, once the updates were submitted, you can go ahead and request your payout. A manual review would be approved, and then it could take up to 12 business hours in order for that payout to be approved. Well, now if we look down here real quick, you can see before the dashboard updated between 10 and 11, now it's going to be between 8 and 9 p.m. and it's going to be seconds before the payout is approved, money withdrawn from the account, and go ahead and inserted into the wallet, which can then be transferred to the bank account. So when we look at how it is now, the trader is profitable intraday, day 1 at 2 p.m. Well, now we can go ahead and request our payout between 8 and 9 o'clock, and bam, the money will be in our wallet. Now, why is this going to be beneficial? You might say, Mike, what is the difference between, hours and minutes? Well, think about this. As you're waiting for that payout request to be approved, which in the past is said it could take up to 12 business hours, during that process, we cannot be trading those accounts, because if we fire off a trade, it ends up losing. Well, that could actually cause our payout to get denied. And what are we going to do as a trader? We're going to get frustrated and say, this isn't fair. We got to get it back. And then bam, we go ahead and place another trade, and the market simply takes all the money in our account, and now we have a blown account. So my personal opinion, I think this is an amazing upgrade that Take Profit Trader has given us. And I want to bring something to your guys' attention. We're going to talk about Take Profit Trader in this example. Go to propfirmmike.com, sort by the prop firm or the prop firm challenge. And now in this case, we can sort by the 25K account. We can either go true cost, double click on that. We can see My Fund of Futures has the cheapest account. However, as a trader, what's the most important to us? Well, let's click right here under drawdown. Which prop firm is going to give us the most drawdown? Take Profit Trader, we have a $1,500 target and a $1,500 drawdown amount, which is going to be the highest with the prop firms that I trade with. So if you like to trade the smaller accounts, you might want to take a look at Take Profit Trader's 25K account. And an additional benefit why that account is so good, look at this. In order to request a payout, 1, we need to pass the evaluation, which we only have to make $1,500. Then we have to get over the buffer requirement. Now, the buffer requirement is essentially anything over $1,500 once you're in the pro account. Guess what? That money is yours with the split that Take Profit Trader gives you. And then now it's going to be seconds before that money hits our wallet. Now, if you have a problem with the drawdown being intraday in the pro account and you want to learn how I defeat the intraday trailing drawdown, make sure to watch this next video right here.